The Sun is 330,000 times more massive than Earth and produces 384.6 yottawatts. That's 384.6 trillion watts of energy every second. Now, what if all of that energy was suddenly unleashed in a single catastrophic explosion? What would happen to Earth? How long would we last? And would there be any way to survive? Spoiler alert, it's going to get really cold, really fast, if we even make it that far. The Sun accounts for 99.8% of the mass of our entire solar system. Without it, things get messy, fast. Light from the Sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. If it exploded, we'd see nothing unusual until those 500 seconds passed. Then, total darkness. But that's just the beginning. The real destruction would come in waves. First 8 minutes. The Sun's last rays reach Earth. No one suspects a thing. After 8 minutes and 20 seconds, total blackout. No more daylight, no more warmth. 1 hour later, solar radiation and high-energy particles slam into Earth. The ozone layer starts breaking down. Day 1. Temperatures begin to plummet at a rate of 1 degree Celsius, 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, per day. Without the Sun, Earth loses about 173 petawatts, 173 quadrillion watts of heat input instantly. 1 week later, the global average temperature has dropped by 7 degrees Celsius, 12.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Crops start dying and food supply chains collapse. 1 year later, Earth's average temperature is 73 degrees Celsius, minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than Antarctica's worst winters. The oceans begin freezing over from the top down. A supernova releases about 10 to the power of 28 megatons of TNT. That's 100 trillion megatons in an instant. A shockwave of plasma and high-energy radiation travels at 99% the speed of light, meaning some of it could reach Earth within minutes. If Earth stayed in orbit, the cold would eventually make the atmosphere collapse, turning the planet into an icy rock drifting through space. Heat loss rate. Earth would lose about 1 degree Celsius per day initially, accelerating as the oceans freeze and the atmosphere thins. Survival window. Humans could survive for a few months underground using nuclear or geothermal energy. Energy output comparison. A single Type 2 supernova, what happens when a big star explodes, gives off more energy in 10 seconds than our Sun has in its entire lifetime. Could humans stop the explosion? No chance. Even detonating every nuclear bomb ever made, about 15,000 nukes, would be billions of times too weak to affect the Sun. Could we escape? Maybe. If we already had a colony on Mars, or a spaceship headed to another star system. But space travel on that scale isn't ready yet. Would Earth drift away? If the Sun's gravity vanished, Earth would instantly start moving in a straight line at 107,000 kilometers per hour, 66,600 miles per hour, into deep space. The Sun could explode tomorrow. Nope, it's too small. The Sun will expand into a red giant in 5 billion years before slowly fading out. We'd have plenty of warning. Not necessarily. Some space disasters, like gamma-ray bursts, can hit without warning. We'd freeze instantly. Not exactly. It would take weeks for Earth to get unbearably cold, and deep-sea life might survive for thousands of years. If the Sun exploded tomorrow, life on Earth would be doomed. But some extremophiles, deep-sea bacteria, might outlast us. Our best shot at survival? Colonizing Mars, finding another star, or building massive underground cities with nuclear energy. So, what's your plan? Could you survive the cold, or would you be the first to go? Drop a comment. Where would you hide if the Sun exploded? Underground? In space? Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing what-if scenarios. Next up, what if Earth stopped spinning? You don't want to miss this one?